Hello friends, I am your teacher Ankit in Aanav Creations Digital Marketing Season 2. Today's topic is very important, so you have just checked the thumbnail and title as well. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you know, we are going to start our new topic, get the most from your keywords in digital marketing season 2. So hello, by now you should have a pretty good idea of how people use lots of keywords to search for your products or services. Now let's talk about making your keywords as effective as possible. In this video, we will be looking at research tools like the ones provided by search engines like Google and Bing. We will see how using these tools can take some of the guesswork out of choosing keywords and help more potential customers finding you online. Now, let's hear from Pump Cart. It's very important that you decide upon your keywords because that's going to help you attain your visibility when somebody is searching online. It could be a simple word, and if you get that embedded within your site and within your campaigns, that's definitely going to help you to be the maximum customer base. Let's put this into practice. Imagine you already have one SEM campaigns promoting your wedding photography businesses online. The clients are coming in, but now let's say you want to build a new campaign. A tool like Google Keyword Planner or Bing's Keyword Research Tool can help you find out which keywords are more relevant and will work best for your new campaign. For example, if you type in family portraits, the tool will show you other related searches as well. Let's look at of these keywords might also be a good fit for your new campaign in the digital marketing. We can see that people search for terms like pictures of family, family photo artist, and kids portrait, etc. The results also show how many searches each term tend to get and other useful information like suggested bid prices and competition levels. Knowing this, you can create several groups called ad groups. One for terms related to family portraits, one for picture of kids, one for kids portrait, and one for family photo artist. By organizing these terms into ad groups, you can easily design. You can create relevant ads for each group of keywords. That takes care of relevant keywords, but what about the other ones that didn't seem too relevant? For example, we can see lots of people are also searching for portrait pencil, which suggests they are looking for something else. There are also many who are searching for watercolor portraits and portrait paintings, neither of which you offer to them. In situations like these, you should use negative keywords to prevent your ads from appearing when people search for things that are not relevant to your business. For example, pencil, watercolor, and painting. These negative keywords will block your ads anytime a search contains one or all of them. This is useful because preventing adverts from appearing for irrelevant searches is going to save you money and make sure that only your ideal customers see your ads easily. So, to recap, keyword research tools can help you to find keywords that attract customers, but they also help you discover keywords to avoid it. It's also a good idea to try and revisit these tools regularly. People's search behavior tend to change over time, and if you let your campaign sit untouched for long too, their performance could start to dip. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.